Don't allow people to make you less than what God has made you. If there's anybody in your life that treats you less than what God called you, remove them from influence in your life. Is that it doesn't matter how long you've been wrong and how much wrong you've done. If you can just get close to him before you die, he can change everything. The thief on the cross was in paradise the same day he died from his crimes, because he was close enough to Jesus to whisper two words, remember me. Jesus said, today you'll be with me in paradise. It was proximity that brought him eternity.